Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? So today I'm doing the $5 St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree Challenge that Tonya from Thrifty Treasures tagged me in. What we did is buy 5 items from the Dollar Tree and create a St. Patty's Day project or craft that we use the 5 items for. And I'm going to show you the 5 that I used. So I got 2 of these bowls. So that's 2 items. I got 2 margarita glasses. I can't show you the glasses because they're in the project. They're in the finished item. And I got one of these, which had these shiny um, clover shamrocks that were also attached to them, which I did cut. And I did decoupage these onto the bowl. What I'm going to do is right now show you the finished item. I had a lot of fun doing this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the finished item, and it's a centerpiece, a party tray bowl, which I did fill up with my favorite snack, which is popcorn. And this would be really fun to have on St. Patrick's Day if you have just a few people over, which is what I'm going to do, or for parties as a centerpiece. And I did use the margarita glasses down here. It's upside down. And then there's one in here that's also upside down that I did attach with E6000 so it'll be stronger so it doesn't fall apart. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you, Tonya, for tagging me. I'm going to put the playlist below so everybody will be able to see everyone else's, and I'm also going to put Tanya's channel link below as well. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys like what I made. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.